In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for HS-, the hydrosulfide ion. Let's count the valence electrons up. We have hydrogen, which is in group 1, so it has 1 valence electron. And then sulfur, that's in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons. And this negative, that means we have an additional electron, because electrons are negative. Plus 1 equals 8. So we'll write our H and then our S. And we have a total of 8 valence electrons for this compound. So let's put 2 electrons between the H and the S. That forms the chemical bond between the hydrogen and the sulfur. And now hydrogen, it only needs 2 electrons to have its outer shell full. So the hydrogen's okay. We have 6 more valence electrons. Let's put them around the sulfur. So now the sulfur, it has a full outer shell. It has its octet here. And we've used all 8 valence electrons. So this is the Lewis structure for HS-. Because it's an ion, we should put brackets around it, and then a negative sign outside to show that it's a -1 ion. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for HS- hydrosulfide. Thanks for watching.